So today I'm excited to have a new mini album kit to share with you. I wanted to do a walkthrough and let you know that this is going to be listed on the website, and once I am finished with the class, of course I'll share the video as well showcasing the project, and your kit does include the video class as well as the shipping in the US, so all of that is part of the listing that you'll find on my website here. This collection is by Fab Scrap. It is called Her Story, and it's a collection that I actually absolutely love, and I have played with this before in the past. So in the past I created a journaling set with a stationery set. This time I'm going to be creating a really fun interactive mini album, and we have a whole different kit for this. So let's take a look here. So first we have some chipboard pieces, some decorative chipboard elements that we're probably most likely going to emboss. So that comes in the kit. Then we have these beautiful Prima flowers. Love the colors, love the different shapes and different types of flowers on this little set here, and it's just so pretty. Then we also have some shabby chic treasures, also by Prima. Just look at how pretty the detail on these two elements. These are resin pieces. And then I also have these little flowers. These are also by Prima. They're smaller, so they will be easier to put throughout the pages of the book. And now let's take a look at the paper. So we actually have two paper collections that I think they match really beautiful together, and since I'm making a mini album, I wanted to have a little paper available here on this kit. So this collection is by Lemon Craft, and this one is called Sweet Secrets. It is an A4 collection, and we have 14 double-sided papers and 14 designs. So let's take a look here. So I'm just gonna do a quick walkthrough. I love the woods and the color of the flowers mainly because they match our collection really beautiful. And we have some kind of like old style text over here, more of the flower combined with the wood grain pages. And I just love all the little collages. I don't know if the camera's picking up all the little text and texture. Even though it's just plain paper, it looks like it has some texture to it. And again, more of that collage type of pages. And then here these repeat again, I think. So yeah, so you get two of each design here, and these are again double-sided. Okay, so that is this one. So you get the A4, and then we're gonna get the 12 by 12 of the paper collection, which is just so pretty with the Eiffel Tower. I love all the books on these this collection, perfect for the fall when you just want to cozy up with a book, or maybe just take some pictures of the books that you're reading, your favorite places to read, and something like a combination of mini album slash documenting your journey, your story. And over here, look at how beautiful these little stationery sets and the collage, and again they're double-sided, so love the colors of the flowers. And then here's another beautiful reading nook, reading place, and some images of friends. And then over here we have a piano. It's just so pretty. It really reflects their story that you want to tell, documenting your journey here. Love this little coffee and the typewriter. And over here, more beautiful books and a cup of tea, and the vintage look of the collection. So again, all double-sided. More of that, some piano page, a beautiful frame over here with this lady, and then more of this little journaling set. That's the back. Then we also have some Fuzzy Cat images or images that you can fuzzy cut. A lot of those here, but on the back we have a full design page in case you don't like to fuzzy cut, but I will be cutting this to use as ephemera for our project. And more lined paper, and then we have some more little journaling pieces, a little note, this little book, and again you can use the back as a full background. And I just love this tower of books here, almost looks like a piece of washi tape, and a lot of beautiful journaling places. And on the back you can use this as a background as well. Then on this kit you also get these die cut. So this is by Kaiser Craft, and it is this beautiful kind of like leaves. It reminds me a lot of fall leaves, so it would be really pretty to maybe cut this on gold and just add some of these little pieces throughout the pages as well. So that is the kit that it is now on the website. I'm gonna have the link below, and I'm gonna get working on this project. Super excited for that, so stay tuned for a final review. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.